In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use Microsoft Loop page templates. So in order to do that, you first need to head over and sign up for an account on Microsoft Loop. To do it, head over to their website, which is loop.cloud.microsoft, and you should be able to see this. Proceed to click onto this Get Started option in order to create an account, or click onto the Sign In option if you already have one. So if you already have a Microsoft account, like for example, if you have it on your OneDrive or your other applications like Word, then you can proceed to actually just use the same account on this particular application. So for this, let's proceed to sign in because I already have an account. So here is my actual Microsoft Loop. I already have a workspace right here. So to create and use a template, just proceed to head over to your actual pages and then hover to the very bottom of your last page. Click on this create new page. And after that, you can see in here this blank thing. So for this case, you can see that we can add in here some titles, icons, covers, and the likes. You also see that you can copy loop component and you click on this more option in order to see in here some options as well. You click on this more option, you can find in here this rename and style. You can change the actual style right here as well as the name for this particular part. Now, in order to use particular templates, you can proceed to use that. You can do so by hovering to this and clicking onto this plus icon. You can see in here some general option, text styles, and in here you can see templates. So you can just choose what kind you want. On my case, I'll head over and choose right here a Kanban board. And then in here, this will create it onto the actual template, and here it is right there. Instead of having untitled, let's add Kanban board for this one right here. And here we have this right there. We already have these tables and you can proceed to just move them around in order to actually use them right there. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.